Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could just chat with your apps instead of juggling a million tabs? Well, OpenAI just made that a reality with apps in ChatGPT. If you are someone who wants to breathe AI every day, make sure to join our WhatsApp and Telegram community for the latest AI developments, exclusive prompts, tutorials, and tons more. The links are right in the description below. So guys, what's the big deal with this new apps in ChatGPT? So basically they are like super smart extensions built right into your chats. You can now talk naturally to apps from top brands and get things done without leaving the conversation. So now ChatGPT is becoming more like the everything app. For example, if you are planning a trip, just say something like booking.com, find me a hotel in Paris with parking, and boom, it pulls up options with photos, prices, and all the details. It's like having a travel agent in your pocket, but it is powered by AI. If you want to create a graphics on the go, tell Canva to turn your rough ideas into a slick presentation. Upload an outline and it generates slides ready to tweak, perfect for that last minute work pitch. No more starting from scratch. It's like magic for designers and beginners alike. Let's say you want to learn something new. With Coursera app right inside ChatGPT, you can dive into courses right there. Watch a video lesson, then ask ChatGPT to explain tricky parts. It's like a tutor that never gets tired. This makes education feel personal and fun. Heading out for a getaway, Expedia helps organize flights and hotels seamlessly. Just chat about your plans and it suggests options with prices and itineraries. Think of it as your vacation planner on steroids. For those visuals, Figma lets you generate diagrams from simple descriptions. For example, if you need a flowchart, describe it and watch it appear, which is great for brainstorming ideas. It's like sketching with an AI collaborator. If you are a music lover, Spotify builds playlists based on your mood or event. Just say make a party mix with my favorites and it curates tracks for you, which you can open directly. No more endless scrolling, it's personalized tune at your command. You can create endless playlists based on your mood. If you are house hunting, Zillow shows homes on an interactive map with prices and details. You can filter by budget or location. It's like window shopping for real estate from your couch, and you won't have to browse through hundreds of those tabs. These apps are built on Model Context Protocol or MCP, which lets ChatGPT connect securely to external services. Right now, OpenAI is rolling out ChatGPT apps to users outside the EU on all plans. More partners like Peloton and Ubers are coming soon. ChatGPT apps can be the next game changer in the coming years. We would just be using ChatGPT for all our tasks. Developers can bring their own apps using the new SDK. Imagine the possibilities. This is turning ChatGPT into a one-stop hub, almost like an AI operating system, and I think OpenAI is definitely moving towards it. From what I have seen in the demos, it's smooth and intuitive. People are buzzing about how it will change everything from travel to creativity, but remember, it's just starting. Expect even more features ahead. So guys, what do you think? Will you try apps? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Also guys, do subscribe to our WhatsApp and Telegram channel where we post daily AI updates, exclusive prompts, AI tutorials and much more. The links are in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.